Human trials or vaccine rollout? This question dominated the Health Department briefing to the Portfolio Committee. Health officials, led by Deputy Minister Phaahla, presented the rollout plan to MPs. But this comment from the Deputy Minister sparked some confusion.
Technically and legally, this is an expanded research in terms of human trials because of the fact that, one, the doses which we are using, as I've mentioned, are the remaining doses from the human trials all over the world.
Opposition parties immediately jumped in.
And in informing the nation at large that this is a trial, that it is very concerning that you have not done this in the ways that you're explaining it to us today.
What the National Department of Health in South Africa has done is totally unacceptable. You have misled the people into believing that this was a rollout of vaccines.
So, Deputy Minister, you talk about how the terms are being used interchangeably, rollout or trial. But I think, sir, it's quite important for the distinction to be made that, and perhaps it is, it's our lack of understanding. But if we can just get an understanding, the first phase, the entire first phase, rollout of the vaccine, of the J&J vaccine, is in effect a trial.
Phaahla insists the process is above board and all the regulatory bodies have approved it.
And if indeed there are members who are convinced that the Department of Health, J&J and South African Medical Research Council are conducting an illegal, unethical business, they have all the right to can approach the various, legal authorities of the country to can challenge that. And I'm very confident that indeed we will not be found to have violated any law and any ethical conduct.
It has also been revealed that the original target of 1.5 million vaccinations by end March has been revised to 700,000. This is due to the AstraZeneca setback. To date, only 91,000 people have been vaccinated, mostly healthcare workers. Phaahla says a lot more ground would be covered when the third wave, expected by mid-year, hits. He says they are hoping the next variant will be less damaging. Abra Barbia, SABC News, Parliament.